tugboat.
There it is. This is a highly detailed wooden model tugboat built a long time ago by one of my relatives, Pat. Up near Escanaba, Michigan. Gladstone, Michigan, I believe is where it is. And my son Zane is driving it. Go slow, buddy. Alright, now... Oh, what? Go ahead.
Now we have the sound system on the tugboat.
Alright, what else does it do?
And
Go backwards, slow down a little bit. There we go.
go backwards and look at what else it does.
Sprays water.
Yep.
And it has a horn.
Where's the horn?
That's this, you gotta rotate it.
Horn. Does it go this way?
Yep, rotate it back up to turn it off. All the way up. There we go.
I just turned the horn off.
Alright, come drive by up here, Zany, nice and slow.
I'm gonna drive up to my dad.
Yep, go over here and drive past me.
Alright, that this way?
Yep, you're doing great.
Right. Hey, tugboat.
Alright, I'm going to shut it off. You want to say anything?
Yeah. So bye everybody, my dad's gonna shop the tugboat.
Alright, bye.